Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and TottyTalksCrafts.com. That's my blog. These are Vasilisa comfort dolls that I designed and made, and we have two queen bees here. Here's the slightly larger queen bee and the slightly smaller queen bee and a ladybug. Now, the antenna on the head of these Vasilisa comfort dolls allows them to be used as lucets. So what you do is you take a length of yarn and you hold it lightly with your thumb and take it through the two nails and around, in a figure 8. So you can either just go around this way, like you're going to the back, but you can come right to the front. I use one of these cocktail sticks, I think they're called, or sandwich sticks. They're bamboo, but they're awesome. They work so well. So you are going to be reaching under and lifting this strand over, and that forms your first loop. Don't hold your yarn tightly. Now take your yarn around again, and the loop lifter goes into the loop below the wrap and over, and then you slide it down and then in and over and down. In my blog, Totty Talks Crafts, I will list all the cool links for video tutorials that I've made for making wonderful things with Lucet Cord. Lucet Cord is awesome. It's a square cord that makes great necklaces, bracelets, button loops, shoes, laces, decorative embellishments, embellishing clothing beautifully. It's wonderful. So there you go, quick and easy to make the Lucet Cord. And when you're done, snip your yarn. Now you can take it around and knit another stitch, or you can just pull this one out, take it over and around the second one and pull it off, and ta-da, there's your Lucet Cord. So you can go to my Totty Talks Crafts blog to see all of the various Vasilisa dolls that I have available. I have many of them available. So happy luceting, and I hope you enjoy my Vasilisa comfort dolls, because oh my, we do need all the comfort we can create these days. Be kind, be well, be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.